पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस हैं अप्रॉक्स जो अभी तक हमने ग्लोबल रिसोर्स से देखे हैं, उनको आप देखिए और बताइए फिर। तब तक अगर आप नए हैं तो स्ट्रीम को कर दीजिएगा इस लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब गाइस।
So let us look at something. We'll take the same Ashok Leyland. Okay, we need to delete all these things. Okay. So we'll add yes. Yummy. It is some random mistake.
Guys, like, share and subscribe guys.
Okay, so now let us go to 1 hour. Okay. See, if you check here, what has happened? Let me hide this 50, 100 and 200 temporarily. This is 1 hour time frame. See, I'm telling you, when you ask between 1 hour and daily is much more stronger. Okay, 1 hour with 26 EMA is somewhat decent. Okay, I'm not telling it will not give false signal, but chances of price breaking 26 EMA or 1 hour time frame will not be so easy. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now, if you check, let us check where is the crossover happened. Okay, here if you want, black line is 26 EMA, okay? Green is 5, blue is 13. Okay, see here it is 10, okay? 10 or 13 does not matter much, okay? So, and black is 20, okay? But you keep it as 26. So, what is happening? The previous and again it's a downtrend, a sort of downtrend or a retracement, okay? Let us not get it again downtrend or retracement, but at least price is falling, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So, if you closely observe, the price is taking resistance at 26 EMA. If you want me, I will hide this 5 and 10 also. Most of the time, on a 1 hour time frame, the price is taking resistance at 26 EMA. But this is the first time it has crossed about 26 EMA.
Yes.
Yes. After that, on that particular day, 26 EMA acts as a support. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So you can write the rally in case, okay. Generally, I will not suggest 1 hour unless another is intraday player. Don't go below 1 hour. Okay, but for refined entries, your 1 hour is a decent time frame, which will give you proper entries. So here again the price started going up, but if it started falling again, where is it taking support? Same on the 20 EMA.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then again there is a big bullish candle. When it started falling again on this particular day, it had taken support on the same 26 EMA, on the 20 EMA. See, so here the number is 20, but when you are fixing in mind, you keep it as 26. Okay, because Asta teaches 26, should you please follow 26? I am following 20 because I told you the same reason. When I was studying, I don't have the paid subscription of trading you. So this was the free indicator, 5, 10, 20, 50. So I started following 5, 10, 20 instead of 5, 13, 26. Okay, there's no other reason apart from that. Okay. So you can follow 20 or you can follow 26, up to you. Just because you are not following 26, you are not going to interpret loss. Or if you are following 20, you are not going to get into the okay. So then every time if you check the once the price here the cross below 20 EMA, some background noise is coming here, please. Okay. So if you can observe on the 1 hour time frame, the same 20 EMA is acting as a resistance.
Yes, sir.
What has happened here at 9:15? Okay, the price I have opened about 20 EMA. Okay, but immediately it fallen below that. On the other day, after that, it had never crossed above that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So, no. If you again watch closely all these things here, all these things prove that 20 EMA acting as a good support and resistance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So EMAs will act as a dynamic support and resistance. Your trend lines, that's why I always say your trend lines, marry trend lines and EMA. You will do wonders. Okay. But you need to observe, the stocks or Nifty. Even if you take Nifty for example, let us take Nifty. Okay. Again, this is the first place where price close above 20 EMA.
Yes. Yes, sir.
After that, if you can check, it is riding along with this thing. If I add 5, you will see 5 also. Okay. So price will always ride along with the EMAs. So that is why I always say EMA acts as a good support. Even the advanced out theory is linked to what EMA? Advanced out theory. It's linked to which EMA?
50.
Huh? Okay, sir, if he hears this 50 word from you, then he will come and kill you. 5 EMA, but on the daily time frame. Correct?
Yes, sir.
5 EMA is the right answer, but on the daily time frame. Okay. See, use this crossover. Yeah? Your crossover works wonders. Your 5, 13, 26 crossover works wonders. Okay. But most of us are not prepared to get into the trade. You what in case if it reverses, what in case if it falls, all those things in mind. Yes, you should be prepared to take some loss. That is why there is a stop loss in mind. Okay. Always use 513 crossover on your 1 hour time frame for good entries or ripple entries. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sriram, so I think just to take a step back, right? Now we're talking about still the price action, right? Now, earlier we looked at the charts basically on the Papa theory, right?
We have not yeah, okay. Tell me, you first.
Right. So now we are saying that use the EMA as one of the indicators, right? Golden class over, right? Or PCO, NCO, whatever, right? And use that so that, we're still using the price action, but then looking at the instrument that will help us.
We are still looking at the price action. We are marrying the price action with support resistance trend line and with EMAs. See, for better entries, EMAs will give you some sort of confirmation. Okay. See, again, where the price is closing, if the price is closing above the EMA, if there's a crossover, okay, it is a good confirmation that there is a trend reversal that is happening. Otherwise, in the bearish market, you will not see this crossover. A crossover of 530-56 on upside itself is an early indication that yes, there is a trend reversal that is about to take place.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
I mean, clear
yeah. So in this case, it's more of a trend reversal for a PCO.
It's a PCO. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Correct. So use 513.26 crossover on the 1 hour time frame for better entries. Okay, for repeat entries. But see, always you should have the stop loss in mind. Okay, stop loss should always be a part of this thing. Just because 513.26 crossover, it does not mean that it will not fall further. Okay, it might happen tomorrow. The next day also it might fall, but it is an indication. Okay, but probability of the crossover working in your favor will be very high.
Okay.
Got it? And write the price action along with the EMA. See, one, you can even your price closing above your resistance line. That's a weapon candle, right? The support line. Where do you identify the weapon candle? Support and resistance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So either you can you will be keeping the stop loss of the weapon candle, correct?
Yes, sir.
Suppose, if at all, when we are discussing the significant candle and weapon candle, you will know better, but I'm just telling you now, okay? If you are taking an entry based on this crossover, okay, I am not getting into the support resistance, I am only taking entry based on the crossover, okay? Keep this crossover candle as your stop loss.
Yes, you can answer.
Okay, and simple. Write the rally as long as the price is above 26 EMA on your 1 hour time. Got it?
So this works on every instrument, right?
Every instrument, I'm not talking about stocks, I'm talking about commodities also.
Okay.
EMAs will work wonders. See, I'll tell you, your 3 indicators, which is more than enough. One is the price action. Couple your price action with support resistance, trend lines. Okay, then your EMA, then your advanced doubt theory. 80-90% of the job is over. Use your indicators only to check if there's a divergence. Simple. Don't confuse with too many indicators. This is what I always say. I think Ajinkya knows about it very well. Correct, Ajinkya? In almost all my sessions, I use the same language. Trend lines with EMAs, price
Yes,
action.
sir.
So price action, trend line, EMA, use indicators only for divergence. Don't trade based on the indicator. I'm telling you, don't trade based on the indicator. Okay. Whatever is the price action, your indicator will give you that. You don't want to go and check at all. If you see a bullish candle, your indicator would have given an uptick. If you see a bearish candle, your indicator would have given a down. Okay. Use indicators mainly to check if there is a bullish divergence or bearish divergence or an RV. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, a price breaking a 5 EMA on a monthly time frame is a very strong signal that there is a good trend reversal.
Sir, what is it about RD?
I am telling you, use your indicators only to check divergence.
So the
Okay.
5 EMA crossing, what on
Yeah,
the
tell
day?
me.
The
See,
5
5
EMA crossing.
For example, if you take Nifty, okay, let me just.
No, sir, on monthly time frame you were saying just now.
Monthly time frame price closing below 5 EMA is a strong bearish signal.
Okay, sir.
It will not happen so easily. And if you check, for example, take Nifty itself. Okay. Okay. Now, again, this is the COVID low. This is COVID low, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the price cross, where is the EMA crossover happen? I'm only taking 5, 10, and 20 here. Is this the first time the crossover has happened here?
Yes.
This month, September 2020.
Sir.
Okay. See, even if you exclude COVID low, let us take the same 20 EMA low. See, COVID again is an event, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So during any negative event, your technicals will not work. Okay. I'm using the same list. Now, is this the first time the price closed above 20 EMA? This is 20 EMA. Okay. August 2012.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So from August 2012 to Jan 2016, 4 years. After 4 years, the first time price closed below 20 EMA. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Only to bounce back immediately within 2 months. See, this is the candle which Jan 2016, Feb 2016. Immediately on March 2016, it took resistance here, correct?
Yes, sir.
It took resistance here. Then again on April, a sort of doji candle, a indecision candle. But the price closed above 20 EMA on May 2016.
Yes, sir.
From May 2016, it had broken the 20 EMA only on COVID. Can you check? Is there any candle that has closed above 20, below 20 EMA?
No,
If you take from the last 8 years, from this time, from March 2012 to COVID March 2020, okay? Once it has happened here, twice it has happened here, correct? Second time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so similarly, okay, so here, this is the first time where it has crossed 20 EMA, July 2020.
Yes, sir.
From July 2020 to till now, once here,
Yeah.
immediately it bounced back. But again, if you have plotted 26 EMA, this also you wouldn't have seen this. Because this being a 20 EMA, you are seeing price closing below 20 EMA. But if it is 26, it wouldn't have closed below 26. But okay, no problem. You keep 20 itself in mind as of now for discussion purpose. Only once it has closed below 20 EMA, immediately to bounce back, correct?
Yes, sir.
What was the level? Closing level is 22,100.
Yeah.
And what is the all-time high? 26,300.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
What is the rally? 4,000 points rally. If you are taking an entry based on 26 EMA.
Yes, sir.
You would have, nothing, you don't want to do anything. You would have participated in 4,000 points rally, which is 20%, right?
Right, sir.
That's why I always say now, again, because of the negative news, the price is below 26 EMA. For investors, this is a very good opportunity to invest. Yes, you might see another 1,000 points pain also, no issues. If you are a long-term investor, forget about it. Buy every day. If your investment horizon is 5 years, okay, use every day. Thank God for giving this opportunity to invest.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to interpret the data, the EMA data?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Anyone having any doubt on this subject? EMA?
No, sir.
Simple. If you have problem in identifying the weapon candle, if you have problem in identifying the support resistance, just write the EMA run. Crossover. Simple. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
EMAs will not let you do.
पर सर EMA से अच्छा तो प्राइस एक्शन दिखा रहा है अपने को कभी.
I'm sorry, I don't understand Hindi.
Okay sir, okay.
Yes, tell me. What is it you say? Can someone translate here, please?
Yes, sir. राकेश सर बोलिए क्या बोल रहे थे? हेलो?
मैं से बोल रहा था सर को कि EMA से अच्छा तो प्राइस एक्शन पहले ही अपने को इंडिकेशन दे रहा है कि प्राइस नेगेटिव में जा रही है कि पॉजिटिव में जा रही है. 5EMA का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो सब मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि जो प्रीवियस कैंडल होती है बुलिश कैंडल उस लो के नीचे क्लोजिंग देती है तो वहाँ पे 70 to 80% ऐसा होता है कि प्रीवियस कैंडल का लो के नीचे क्लोज देती है वो प्राइस. तो 5EMA के नीचे भी क्लोजिंग दे देती है और प्रीवियस कैंडल का लो भी चला जाता है. बुल का वेपन भी मतलब प्रीवियस जो कैंडल रहती है बुलिश उसका लो चला जाता है.
बट सर यहाँ पे तो 26 EMA की बात कर रहे हैं ना?
नहीं वो कर रहे हैं तो उसमें भी आप देखोगे कि जो प्रीवियस रेड कैंडल है उसके ऊपर एंगल कर रही है तो वहाँ पे बुल्स ने पार्टिसिपेशन कर दिया है वहाँ.
Okay, see, somewhat I understood. Okay, because yes, the previous candle is an engulfing candle, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. It's an engulfing candle, correct?
Yes, sir.
See, that is what I'm telling you, yeah. See, if you are not strong enough as far as the candles or other things are concerned, just ride along the EMA rally. Okay. You might make mistake in drawing in identifying a proper support and resistance. That's a human error. That's a part of human error. No one can draw support and resistance perfectly. Sometimes you will do mistake, but your EMAs will not do mistake. That's why I'm telling you, ride the rally along with EMA. Even on your daily time frame, your 5 EMA will work wonders. Okay.
Srinam,
Yes, sir.
while you're doing, the other day you were mentioning about the superscripts, right? So writing the superscript, let's say for example, after this EMA, can we raise an alert saying that it is doing a crossover?
Yes, you can do everything, sir. You can do everything.
Maybe I think
I've not included that, but you can include an alert. See, because again, I'll tell you why I'm not included. Because I don't have a paid subscription. I think you can't create multiple alerts in a free subscription, right? I think you can create hardly 1 or 2 alerts only in a free subscription.
Okay.
Okay, so that is why I have not created an alert. And again, I am a full-time trader. I have no other job other than sitting in front of the system.
Yeah,
Okay, my strategy is different.
Yeah,
My strategy, I only trade weekly options, which is only short time counter. Okay, I know short time counter is for sideways market, but for me, I will always keep positions open on both the sides. Okay, my expectation is I'll be happy if I get 1.5 to 2% every week. So, which translates to 52 weeks. Even if I get some 75 to 100% return every month, I'm happy with it. I don't trade this EMA and other things. Okay, I always trade the iron counter. I have a mathematical calculation made. I will only go based on that. I will not look at the charts at all.
My goodness, this is a brilliant strategy. So what you're saying is that, right, 1% every week, right, 52 weeks is 52%. Even if you take
More than enough, no.
I'm saying even
Without
if
any tension, you can easily. I'm telling you, I'm underlining the word easily. You can make 52% per annum without taking any tensions.
Okay.
You don't want to bother. What is happening? Why should you will not end up in loss? Definitely, I'm telling you, you will make 52% per annum.
Okay.
Especially if you are a working professional, if you don't have time to look at the charts and other things, be happy with 1% every week. See, 52% every week, 1% compounded every week, okay, for 52%. If you look at the compounded formula, it is almost 75%. The compounding effect. It is not 52%. 1% compounded every week for 52 weeks is equal to almost 75% per annum. Will you not be happy if you are getting 75% even without putting any efforts?
Yes, sir.
Even 50% is too much, right? I think, seriously speaking.
That is what I am telling everyone. See, you are chasing big returns. End of the day, you end up with zero. When I say you, I'm not telling you. It's a common sense.
No, I got it. You're talking more.
In fact, big returns.
In fact, I was just reading a very good analogy. The Tatas and hair store, all of us know. They say, if you look at in stock market,
I posted
Tata
it,
is
no?
the best strategy.
I posted that in the group, no?
Is it you? Is it you? Sorry.
Yeah, the turtle story.
Yeah, correct. I think that is where I think this is very relevant.
This is what I posted last Wednesday.
Correct. Sorry, maybe I'm reading far too many good things. So you're right. End of the day, I think if we can follow today, the light bulb has blown, no? Rather than running.
I am telling from my most whatever language I'm talking now, the same language I have already informed my students. For them, it might be boring. I think this guy always talks the same language. I think Ajinkya is the only person from my group who knows my tone and my language.
Yes, sir. But we never felt it very harsh. Yeah, it is good. Someone we need like that.
1%. Yeah, break your return to 1% every week. 52%. Aram say you can make without much tension. Then you don't want to look at the charts. You don't want to look at the crossover. Nothing you don't want to do. Simply you can blindly take a trade, enjoy 1% return. Okay. Try with one lot, no? Try with one lot for 3 months. You will know and you will understand.
Short and condor, sir.
I'll tell you, see, if you guys are ready, okay, I'll teach you.
Yes, sir.
I'll keep 10,000 rupees for loss, okay? We prepare to lose 10,000 rupees. Consider that loss as your tuition fees.
Sure.
Please, sir. Please. Yes, sir.
Sriram will start this week now. At least one strategy, see that way, what happens while we do the theory, right? So whichever way. I'm saying it could be 1 unit of Nifty or it could be 1 share of Ashok Leyland, doesn't matter. We follow that. See, to me, I think that
I follow Nifty because Nifty is the weekly strategy. For stocks, it is monthly strategy, no?
We'll follow Nifty.
But you can trade in stocks also. 4% you can make, even in stocks.
So Nifty is better.
Nifty is better, no?
Yes.
With 1%.
Yes.
Start with, I'm telling you, your first step, even if you make 0% return, be happy. Because you are not losing the money. Your first step is to protect your capital without losing your money. The second step is making return out of it. First step is to make 0 loss. Second step is to make profit out of it. So, there are only 2 steps. One is 0 loss, the second one is the profit. So, first aim for 0 loss. And End of the year, brokerage also will be very less. Because when you do intraday, you will react for it. See, we don't have so much expert to do intraday. Okay, intraday you can make money, provided again, if you are happy with the return, what you have made. In one of the session, I said, if you have made 5% for the day, be happy, close the trade, enjoy the day. What people will do is, if they have made 5%, they will not be happy. They will do one more trade where they will end up losing 10%.
Yes.
Correct, sir.
That keep the train story, that turtle story, all those things. If you apply that in your stock market, you will make wonders.
Sure, sir.
See, consistently make profit. Yeah. End of the day, if you take too many trades, you might earn some. You might even make some 30% return. Out of the 30%, 25% would have gone to your brokerage.
True.
Net return will be only 5%. You might be this year I made 30% return. You can feel happy. But if you look at the final number, 25% of that amount would have gone to broker. Net return is only 5%. Okay.
Yes, you tell us, sir. We will definitely do this.
So, okay, we'll discuss. So EMAs, are you clear?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir. So far.
Write your rally along with the EMA in case if you have a problem in plotting the support and resistance trend line. Okay, either follow support and resistance trend line or follow EMA. But if you marry EMA along with your trend lines, along with Dow theory, you will do wonders. Okay, yes, sometimes it will hit your stop loss. No problem, be happy if your stop loss is hit. But what I'm telling you is on a closing basis. Sometimes there are situations where your price will go below 26 EMA on a 1 hour time frame, but by the time the 1 hour candle is closed, it would have bounced back and would have closed above 26 EMA. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay. I'll tell you what is the strategy I follow. Okay. So,
थोड़ी देर पहले उन्होंने मार के लगो गुस्से होती
हां काथे थे
बस हे हेडा भाई
अच्छा हेडे वाए वा और लाइट साया तड़ी न हुई खोला उधर गवर्नमेंट हते वेहन दम वो निकले काडे बाबा हेडे आया वा ना हां त हने हेडा उधर लाइट साया हम कया आदो कंगा तन भाई
strategy will get always takes 2 weeks. Okay. For example, don't take this week. If I am on Tuesday, okay, 17th March is the expiry. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
I am on Tuesday, I will take a trade for 30th March. That is 2 weeks. Past 2 weeks. Okay. 2 weeks from now.
Okay.
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 So neutral, short time condor. By default, Sensible will suggest this one if you click short time condor. 200 points difference between the buy and sell leg, correct?
Yes, sir.
Again, same here also. Hey, don't worry in case if you have not understood short iron condor, don't worry, we will discuss. I'm just telling you the strategy what I take, okay?
Yes.
I don't know what is short iron, don't bother about all those things at this stage. When we are discussing phone, I'll tell you how to do all these calculations. Okay. Okay. So, between the buy leg and sell leg, what is thought to you in Asta? Either take 50% of the premium, correct? That is one of the best thing. Or go and buy the leg at the break-even point, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what is thought to you, right? Either at the break-even point or 50% of the premium.
Yes.
What I will do is, Sensible will generally suggest 200 points. What I will do is, I will only keep a thing of 100 points. Between the buy leg and the sell leg, I will take only 100 points. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see, I think it is round. Go for a rounded number. So it is not showing the actual. Because a rounded number will always have a liquidity. So what is the premium? 400 rupees and 405 rupees. Almost the same. See, your primary leg is your sell leg, correct?
Yeah.
This is only a protection leg. So you should always have your stop loss on your sell leg, not on your protection leg.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 400 rupees is what you are paying. You take this also as 400 rupees. Not a big difference, 400 and 405, correct? So what I will do is, I will keep a stop loss as 50% of this. That is 1.5 into 400, which is 600 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 400 rupees is your stop loss. 400 rupees is your entry price. And 65 rupees. 65 is your lot size, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I will exit the strike. I will exit in case if it, whichever level, into 1.5. 600 rupees. I will put a GTT order the moment I execute an order. I will put a GTT order at 1.5%. 1.5 times, which is nothing but 50% off. If this premium goes 1.5 times more, I will exit this level. So that means how much I will be losing? I will be losing 200 rupees, right?
Yes, sir.
So 15,000 is what I will be losing, correct?
Yes, sir.
On this leg alone. But my buy leg would have given some profit.
Yeah.
So though I lose 200 rupees on the sell leg, net I don't actually lose 200 rupees. I would have lost only some less than 50 rupees only. See, if this had gone up by 200 rupees, my buy leg would have gone up at least by 150 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how much I am losing? I am losing only
15.
50 rupees net. Correct? So the same strategy. So, but your call leg would have given some profit. That will be a profit because this premium would have come down, right? When this stop loss is hit, this would have given you a profit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, but now, as of now, let us forget about this leg. Let us not disturb the call leg alone. So, we will discuss assuming your put leg has given a loss. Okay. So, you are going to do adjustment only on the put leg, not on your. You are not going to disturb the call leg at all at this stage. Okay.
Okay.
So, how much you are losing? Okay. Again, I am coming to the same this thing. So, you are deploying 90,000 rupees for a short time contract, approximately. This shows 60,000. Let us keep it as 90,000 rupees. So 1% profit is 900 rupees.
Yes, sir.
900 rupees is what you need to make as a profit. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 900 rupees divided by 65. 13 rupees if you earn. Okay? You will end up this, you will get this profit. Your earning need to be only 13 rupees for you to earn 900 rupees. 13 into 65. Are you getting it up? This is actually not rupees. 6 rupees on your put leg and 6 rupees on your call leg. I'll explain that.
Yeah, this is per week only, no, Sriram?
Per week, 90,000, 1%. So 900 rupees.
So 13 points is what we are going to look at for.
Not 13 rupees is the premium you need to gain. Your premium has to become 0, right? As an option seller, you will benefit only if the premium becomes 0, correct?
Correct.
So 13 rupees, when I say 13 rupees on the put side, it is 6.5 rupees on the call side and 6.5 on the put side. Correct? Will be 900 rupees, no?
Correct.
So what is it you are gaining here? Now, let us discuss about this thing. If at all your market is only falling, right? It's falling. You will be making 49 rupees on your call leg. This is your premium, right?
Yes, sir.
49 rupees 65 paisa is your net premium on the call. See, what is short time contract? Combination of bull put spread and bear call spread. Correct? How many of you knows this?
Correct.
How many of you knows this? Short time contract is a combination of bull put and bear call.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we know it.
Everyone? Arya, tell me, someone don't know also, no problem. Be happy if you're learning it now.
I don't know, sir. Honestly, Yogesh.
Be honest. No, you don't want to prove anything to anyone. Yeah,
Sir,
not everyone knows anything.
Even I too don't know, sir.
Hey, Arya, I'm always telling you, okay, don't feel what others will think about you in case if you say I don't know. Okay, you know something which they don't know. Okay, not everyone is a master of everything. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Even if you
Yes.
put yourself to shame, also no problem. You're again, I'm telling you, you're not going to prove yourself to anyone. You prove yourself to you. More than enough. Don't bother about others. So, short iron condor is nothing but a combination of bull push spread and a bear call spread. How will a bull push spread look like? Is this a bull push spread? The chart, look at the chart.
Yes,
It looks like a yes, right?
Yes.
Looks like a simple yes.
Yeah.
What is bear call spread? It will look like a Z.
Yes.
Good product.
Sorry, bear call spread. Bear call spread. It will look like a Z. So, short iron condor is nothing but a combination of bull put and bear call. This portion, yes. This portion is Z.
Yes.
Keep this as a center point. Can you see S symbol on the left side and Z on the right side?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So, short iron,
Request for the screen to white. I mean, that will be if it is possible.
put the screen in white.
Yeah, because for viewing purpose, I mean, it's easy. For eyes, it's for us it becomes easier. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. So, if you keep your cursor at the center, this looks like a yes, right?
Yes.
And this looks like a Z.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, this S portion is nothing but a bull put spread, and your Z portion is nothing but a bear call spread. What is bull put spread? What is your primary leg in a bull put spread? If you remember, you tell me. Otherwise, no problem. Whoever knows it, you tell me. And if you don't know, don't bother.
ATM cell.
I'll put at ATM.
Yeah. Your primary leg is cell. Forget about the ATM. Your primary leg is cell, and you are protected with a bike, correct? For a bull put
Yes,
spread.
sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for a bear call spread, your primary leg is your call cell, okay, and you are protected with a bite. Simple. This is your primary leg on a bull put spread. Yes. Cell 22950, and you are protecting it with a OTM. See, bull put spread by default you are selling it at a ATM, but not necessarily you need to execute ATM. You can do it either ITM or OTM also. Okay. The only thing is, your call leg should be below that. See, wherever the premium is higher, that is your primary leg. This is one again shortcut. Keep that in mind. The strike with a higher premium is your primary leg or your hero leg. In a bull put spread or in a bear call spread or anything, the strike with a higher premium is your primary leg. For easy identification or easy remembrance, I am telling you. Srijan, this is very good, huh? Which one?
I'm saying the price with higher premium
Is your primary. Like, yeah. It's easy to seriously, right? You don't forget now. You see, if you're going for a debit strategy, strike with your higher premium. Which one is higher premium? 265. This is your primary rate. When you are going for a credit strategy, your sell will have the highest premium. When you are going for a debit strategy, your buy will have the highest premium. Got it. The leg which has the highest premium is your primary leg.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, the bull put spread, yes, by default, when you are executing bull put spread separately, okay, your sensible or whatever that is taught to you in Asta will tell you what you have learned is the ATM cell, okay, the ATM strike. That is because ATM is more balanced, but you can either sell an ATM or you can sell ITM also. That we will discuss later. But when you are what is this thing? When you are building a short iron condor, okay, it is always an OPM. Because I'll tell you why it is not ATM. ATM is nothing but an iron fly. Again, short iron butterfly is a combination of bull foot split and the bear call split. The only difference between a short iron fly and a short iron condor is in a short iron fly, you will be selling the ATM leg, whereas an iron condor you will be selling an OPM leg. That is the only difference between iron condor and iron fly. Don't worry. Again, I am telling you, we'll discuss more in detail when we get into the flow. Okay.
Sure.
So, what is now? Tell me.
Sir, a question. You said you put on a 50% of your premium as a stop loss, right?
Correct.
So when you put on a stop loss, you put on the primary leg only. You don't put on the secondary leg. Is that correct?
No, I put it only on the primary leg. Secondary leg is only a protection leg.
Correct. That's what I was wondering. Okay, got it, sir.
I will put it on the primary leg. 30th March. Okay. So, what is that? Your net premium you are getting is 80 rupees, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So, on that your call leg is 50 rupees and 30 rupees is your foot leg. See?
Yep.
Your foot leg is 30. The call leg is balanced 80 rupees. So, let's assume the market is falling. Okay. Which leg will give you a loss? Your bull put spread will be at a loss.
Yes.
Whereas your bear call spread will be at a profit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you are doing is you are not, if the market is falling, you are not disturbing the bear call spread. Okay. Hey, some background noise is coming. You are not disturbing the bear call spread. We are only going to work on the bull foot spread. That means the leg which is giving loss. Understood?
Yes.
Yep. Okay. So if this has given a loss of 200 rupees, okay, this would have given a profit of at least 150 rupees.
Yep.
Yes.
So net you are losing only 50 rupees, correct?
Correct.
Okay, let it be there. So what we will do is, so this would have gone to 600 rupees, correct? Then we are losing because our stop loss is there only.
Correct.
So now what I do so as a first adjustment. If 200 rupees is my loss, 600 minus 400 is 200 rupees, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I will go and select a strike which is 1.5 times of the 200 rupees. That is 300 rupees. Okay.
So repeat.
Got it. See, whatever is the loss number is 200 rupees.
Yes.
The first adjustment, I will go and select a strike which has a premium of 1.5 times of my loss amount.
Okay.
Which is 300 rupees.
Okay.
Yes or no? 1.5 times of 200 is 300, right?
Yes, sir.
But in this case, for example, it is 150 rupees. For example.
Yes.
So you will be going still OTM. What is the 150 rupees? Let us check the premium. The strike which has a premium of around 150 rupees. Okay. Because there is no liquidity, but no problem. Even if this 259 is also fine. Okay. Again, the same with 100 strike difference. See, by doing this, what you are doing is, what you are trying to achieve is, okay, you are protecting this leg. This leg will be giving a profit.
Yes.
And whatever loss you have made on the bull put spread, you are covering that loss. Okay? By going one strike behind. So now 22,500. So your break even has gone much more wider on the lower side. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Earlier, when you took your break even was only around 1.2%. Now your lower side break even is 3%. Market cannot move 3% or 4% on month-on-month basis, right? Again, let us not discuss about the even base move. I'm only talking about the normal market. But even on the even base move, you will still make profit. See what is my tell
Sorry,
me.
just can you stay on there? We are clear with that. So now basically what you're saying is that my put leg is giving a loss. In this case, 600 minus 400 is 200 rupees. So therefore, into 1.5 is 300.
300 rupees. And go and sell a spike which has a premium of 300 rupees.
Okay. Then in the case, I need to exit the 600 leg, right? Stop loss.
You have to completely hit the bull put square. You have to completely exit the bull put square.
The 2 legs I need to get out, right?
Yes.
And then I need to get into a new trade.
I'll tell you why you need to get out of both the legs. Sometimes if the market falls further, you might make profit from this buy leg.
Got it.
What in case if it is not falling, if it reverses? You would have already made some loss here. This again will give you loss, right?
Correct.
If the market is falling, yes, whatever loss you have made here, that will help you cover it. What in case if it is not falling and if it reverses, if you don't have time to look at all those things. So this leg also you have already incurred some loss. If this reverses, this leg also will give you some loss. So when your stop loss is hit, exit both the leg.
Okay.
Then create a new bull put square which has a premium where on the main leg I'm talking about, the main leg which has a premium of 1.5 times of your loss amount.
Got it. That portion is clear. So that 1% and then whatever it is there on the PE, then you can do 100 points above, so that you are 200 points.
Same 100 points as your protection leg.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
So when you exit,
on expiry, automatically in case if you have a good break even of, say for example on Tuesday, if you have some 500 600 points on the either side, market is not going to move 500 600 points, right? For example, if the market, what is the primary leg? 23,350 here. Okay, we selected 23,400. Okay, when your put leg will give a loss only if the market had gone down to at least 200 points.
Correct.
Minimum. It is not even 200, it is more than that because your OTM delta is less than 0.5%.
Correct.
So unless and until market falls by at least close to 300 points, your put leg stop loss would not have taken a hit. Correct?
Got it.
Correct? So when it had fallen by, see here you already have 250 points, right? Between ATM and this thing, there's a difference of 250 points. The market had fallen further by 300 points. This break even would have gone to 550 points.
Correct.
Don't disturb it. Okay. Even if the market falls here further by again 100 or 200 points. So this would have gone to 600, 700 points.
Got it.
So in a week, will market fluctuate 600, 700 points every week?
Not every week.
Not every week. Unless there is some event, it is not going to fluctuate 600 points and all, correct?
At least not in Nifty. Not in Nifty.
I'm talking about Nifty only. On Monday, for example, if the gap between these two legs is more than 500 plus points, okay, you can be safe. Automatically, both the premium will become zero. And whatever premium you have collected, that is your profit.
Okay.
Confused or?
No, it's okay. It's clear. So basically, what you are doing is that because now you got into this balancing act, you keep refining the opposite leg depending on whether you are loss, right? On exit means sorry. When you say expiry date on exit, you allow that auto expiry or you will exit at the day whatever.
You can do it auto. You can allow it also. No problem. You will be saving on the transaction cost. You allow it to auto expiry.
So in this case, we save the transaction cost.
Because there is no brokerage, no. Only if you manually exit, you will have to pay SCT, your transaction charges, turnover charges, etc., etc. Wow, you are not doing any trade here. Automatically, you get zero and it will be squared off.
Brilliant. I think this is another technique, right? Otherwise, we can save. So basically, what you're saying is that take this leg, refine it whenever there is a plus or minus on both sides. That's it.
Here, at the most, on a weekly, this thing you might do 1 or 2 adjustments, not more than that. But I am telling you, definitely you will make 1%.
Okay.
Keep 2 lakhs. Okay, keep 2 lakhs. Okay. Use 1 lakh for example, if you are entering a trade tomorrow, get in a trade for expiry that is on 30th. Okay. On next week, you take one more trade for 7th April. Always keep 2 weeks.
Got it.
But deploy only 1 lakh for the first listing. Guys, are you getting it or are you confused? I know it will be confusing on day one, but you please ask.
Confused, sir. Confused.
Confused, sir.
Okay, what is the confusion?
Unless we do it practically, we will not be able to
Okay, where is the confusion now? You tell me. Someone ask here. You can help others.
The thing is, home we are not still clear about the basic spreads.
Yes, correct.
How it, which legs makes loss, when, how, why, all of those. So this is 2 legs together, 2 credits, spreads together. It is still more confusing.
Okay. So what did I say? Your cell leg, whichever has the highest premium, is your primary leg. Are you clear with that statement?
Yeah, clear with that statement, sir.
Okay. So now let us discuss about one leg alone. Which one has the highest premium here? Let us discuss about the put side alone. Okay.
The cell leg has highest.
So this is your primary leg?
Yes.
In
Yes,
that
sir.
case. So is this your secondary leg?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what was the secondary leg used for?
Covering.
Protect.
Covering, protecting you from unlimited loss, because your cell leg contains unlimited loss, right? So you are buying a put leg to protect that loss. So by doing that, what happens? Your profit becomes limited, loss becomes limited. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You're clear? Everyone is clear with this statement?
Yes, sir. This is correct.
Okay. So now again. So what is bull put spread? Anyone of you know? Okay. So forget about all those things. Forget about the home strategies. See, short time condor, what I suggest is take a trade tomorrow, a paper trade. Okay, everyone of you take a paper trade. Okay, for the expiry of 30th March. But again, I'm telling you, paper trade will have zero emotions.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if you want to learn something, track that paper trade whether your stop loss is hit or not.
Yes.
See, physically you are not going to make a loss. Because you are not making a loss, physical loss, no one will be bothered to look about it. I know there was one student in this group called me 4 days back. I am 100% sure her stop loss would have got it, but she was bothered to call me to ask what happened. Because it's a paper trade. So what I suggest is, take a paper trade after 10:15, after 10 o'clock. Don't get into the trade at 9:15. Okay? Allow the market to settle down. In case if there's a gap up or gap down, allow the market to settle down. Get into a trade at around 10 o'clock. Take a paper trade. Okay? Whatever sensible suggest, go for it. Okay? But only thing is, if at all it is showing a strike in multiples of 50, take it 100. Because sometimes you will not get the liquidity.
So it is around strike prices will have liquidity, right, sir?
Yeah, I'll do one thing. At 10 o'clock in the morning, tomorrow, I will post this thing, short time conduct, select this thing.
Yes, sir.
All everyone has to take a paper trade. Okay? Then on the paper trade, always note down your primary sell legs, note down on the paper. What is the premium?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Multiply it into 1.5. Keep that as your stop loss. Monitor your paper trade every 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Hey, you can ask, yeah. That's what I'm asking you. Please ask.
So this maximum profit and maximum loss, what sensibly shows, this is going to be fixed final, because irrespective of that is for sure.
This is fixed. Yes.
Whether any candle comes, any event is there next
What
year,
the market, wherever it goes, your profit and loss is fixed.
This is fixed.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question. Sriram Saraswati. Actually, I done one paper trade with the short iron condor and short iron butterfly 2 days back. Actually, it shows, I know this is not right time to take short iron condor this week, because on a daily basis, 250 to 300 points is going down. But still, I took it, the short iron condor.
No problem, yeah. Even I have short iron condor only position open.
Yeah. Just for paper trade, sensible only I done. Today I saw it is 2,000 rupees minus for short iron condor and short iron butterfly. It's 600 loss. But my question here is, yeah, I know it will be not a right term. Suppose I want to take 1,000 point. Is it possible to keep like upper side and down side? Can you do those?
You can keep it, but that will not help you. The 1,000 points, if you give, how much return you think you will get? 0.25% return.
Actually, the probability is loss percentage is more in this fund.
Yes, the loss percentage will be more, but the probability will be very high.
In this way, I got only 2,000 is the loss. If I want to change to 1,000 point, my loss will be 25 to 30,000 rupees.
Yes. Correct. The field when I'm explaining the calculations, you will understand, right?
Yes. Yeah, I done it. This is practically in the paper trading.
Don't do that. That is why I'm telling you.
Select yeah.
Tomorrow I will at 10 o'clock. Even if I missed out, someone please remind me. Okay. At around 10 o'clock or 10:15. That's not matter. Okay. I will post it in the
30th expiry.
30th March. Yes, 30th March expiry. Okay. I will post it tomorrow morning. Take a paper trade. Okay. After saying premium. Okay, you can do the premium adjustment. Okay. If at all it is showing some 300 rupees in my this thing, take the same 300, do the adjustment, take a paper trade. Okay. I'll tell you how to do the adjustment.
Sure.
I'll post it in the premium.
Sure.
Understood? That's good. Suresh, sir, try this 1% and all easily you can make.
Sriram, I'll do tomorrow. No problem. In fact, I'm many of trading, not that much, but let me do this hand condor so that I can learn.
1% and all you can easily make it.
Yeah. We'll do that.
Yeah. Okay. So today we discussed EMA. Any doubt on the EMA?
Sir, not particularly EMA, but the question like in some stocks, not Nifty, F&O stocks, there's a momentum or some there's in 15-minute there's a 15-minute candle which is coming with lot of volume. So how to track that? If I have to do an intraday,
I will tell you again. For intraday, yes, 15 minutes is fine. But if you are going to take positional, I will not suggest 15 minutes. I will ask you to stick to one, not going below one.
No, my question was that the momentum starts in a 15-minute candle only and then goes up to 1 hour or that. So how to, there's a volume shocker being told that there's a charting. So any other way by which we can keep a track, there's a sudden volume in this F&O stock. So
see, now this AA and all is there, yeah, there's done 5 years, they have all this AA which do all this. I think for this they have FIA, this is their AA. Okay, I am not using AA as of now. Okay, this is again a sort of screener. When you do it in AA, but it's a sort of screener. Okay, if you are using done platform, I suggest go to their respective YouTube channel and just type it. You will get some idea.
Sorry, I'm not using Done actually. I have to open
Which one you are using?
I'm using this Kotak and recently opened this Zerodha.
What do you want to do actually? Tell me.
Actually, I want to catch the volumes. When there's a volume coming, there's a
see, if you start or something. The problem with stocks is, okay, there are some around close to 250 stocks that are part of F&O bracket. If the stock
approximately, yeah.
Oh, it's more than 200.
Okay.
So,
I'm not saying, sir, to track all of them, but how? What is the tool? Because you are a lot into creativity, actually. People know.
See, charting is the only this thing which will help you identify the crossover. Okay.
Crossovers 5. So that will be like in
crossing 13, crossing 26. Put it on the charting on a 15 minutes time frame and find it.
Today or whenever next session you can show that how to do that.
Charting, I think VJ had already posted many links, no, in the group.
Yeah, the scanner links are there, but this 5, 13, 26, I don't think.
Yoga said is very easy. There is an AI already. You can put that directly into that box. It will create scanner for you.
Okay.
Okay, so I think I'm not used charting. Okay, but okay, it's not a big this thing. I have not tried at all using it. Okay, who said Yogesh? You asked that gentleman.
Yeah.
Manoj. Right? So
Yeah.
Manoj, probably
I can show you. I can show you.
Okay, probably Manoj, you do.
Tomorrow I'll connect. Yeah.
No, one second. Manoj, you do one thing. You take a separate session on this subject tomorrow. Is that fine?
Tomorrow
Yeah,
not
yeah.
possible, sir. I'm
Okay,
going to
Tuesday.
office and it will be late. Yeah.
Tuesday.
Yes.
Okay, so Tuesday Manoj will take a special session on charting, correct? Or any other AI or this thing.
Yeah.
Fine with it, guys.
Yes.
I hope it is fine with everyone, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We will have a session on Wednesday, but Manoj will take a session on Tuesday, same time at 9 o'clock. Manoj, is that okay?
This is tomorrow knowledge fest is there.
That is okay. That is Asta session. See, give preference to Asta session. Whenever there is no Asta session,
9 to 11 p.m. Yes, tomorrow the knowledge fest is there.
Okay, right.
Then
Guys, again,
Tuesday,
I am telling you, how many ever sessions you attend, unless and until you practice, you will not gain any knowledge.
tomorrow the topic is on commodity.
Okay, right.
So Tuesday can we keep, sir?
Tuesday. Tuesday only, not tomorrow. Even tomorrow, Manoj is not available. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So Tuesday we can keep them.
Tuesday we will have a session at 9 o'clock. Okay? Same link. But I suggest you guys, please, whatever you have learned as of now, okay? Please at least try to spend some time on the charts and analyze whether it is what is happening there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you want to discuss anything, you can discuss now.
Sir, I have a question, and the question is regarding again on the short iron condor. So, where do you buy? Do you buy it directly through the Sensible, or do you go to your broker?
I only use Sensible both for entry as well as for exit. I only use Zero for using a GTT.
Yeah, I think that's where the problem is, because Sensible doesn't give you the stop loss and those things, right? It will just give you the limit order you can put in there.
See, the problem with stop losses, you have to do it on day-to-day basis. But GTT order, that is not the case. Even if it is not happening today, tomorrow if your GTT is it will be executed.
Okay, so you are saying first you will do the you will do the trade all on the limit or market price and then create an GTT order for the stop loss.
I will only do market. Okay, I use Sensible to get into a trade. Once the positions are created, I will go to Zerodha, go to the positions tab, create a GTT order.
Okay, got it, sir. Okay. And sometimes, sir, in upstock, if I go in upstock, if I select the strategy and then execute the strategy, right, it doesn't allow me to exit, a particular leg into that one, okay? Because it's a part of the strategy. So I need to do it separate.
While exiting, it will always take your primary leg as your exit. See, unless and until you have a fund, okay? So if you have only 1 lakh, okay, what is it? Why do you use the buy leg? One for action, other is for enjoying the margin benefit, right?
Correct.
So if the margin is not available, you should first exit the primary leg. That's what upstock is. That's why upstock is not allowing you. So you have to exit the primary leg first, and then you have to exit the protection leg.
Okay.
If you do that, it will allow.
But we have to execute all 4 together at once only, or how, sir?
All 4 at once. Probably a matter of few seconds is fine. At one go.
Okay.
I will always put place all at market.
Right, sir.
Because in Nifty, hardly there will be a difference of 5 paisa or 10 paisa between the buyer and the seller, unlike stocks.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So clear with the EMAs? EMA acts as a good support and dynamic support and resistance. Okay. Whoever have completed the quiz, send me a message. I think I have a separate study material on EMA. One second, let me just check.
Sir, one question, sir. We also have this EMA that 50, which is a golden crossover, right? So we only discussed about 20. So 50 EMA, is it important or it has a...
See, every EMA is important. Every EMA is important. Okay, 50 EMA is also important only. See, when in a normal market, okay, I'm not talking about a reversal. Okay, see, when the price is reversing, there are two kinds of interpretation. One, it could be a retracement, and one, it could be a reversal. Correct?
Yeah.
We will discuss the difference between the retracement reversal. Okay, but on a 50 EMA in a daily time frame, in a normal market, there will be higher probability the price will take support at 50 EMA. See, that is why I'm telling you, look at the price action. Go and look at Nifty or any stock. At least take some 5 stocks. Okay, how the EMA is how the price is respecting the EMA, which you should go and understand. Please do that.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
EMAs, yeah, EMA. How many pages? It comes to 10 pages. Whoever have completed the quiz, send me a message. I'll share you this EMA related study material for you.
Sure.
I'll post it in the group.
So, but by quiz you mean the SMM quiz, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Here are
So you mentioned something about 90 days challenge or something. And is that?
I didn't mention. That was mentioned.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Something, yeah. Anything, any activity from your side also something as a which will help us.
This thing is at least you go and look at the charts. Spend some at least 15-20 minutes on the chart.
Yeah.
First do that. I'll be more than happy for that. And whatever messages I am posting, you go through that will not take 5 minutes. Because see, all these things I am not just posting to convey a message. It is testing your patience. Whether you are patiently ready to spend 5 minutes to read this message. If your mind is not ready to spend 5 minutes continuously to read this message, then you are not fit to be a trader. Okay, because that means you don't have patience. If you don't spend 5 minutes reading each and every word of this message, you are unfit to trade in the market because you don't have patience. You will only get into anticipated trades. Why am I telling unless only attend the quiz, I will not share my study material? Because attending the quiz need at least minimum half an hour. Please tell me, minimum half an hour you need?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that means you are focusing, you are ready to spend half an hour on the study. But if you are not ready to spend that half an hour, you will not spend half an hour on looking at or analyzing the chart or looking at my study material, because my study material is very vast. So when you don't have patience and when you are not spending half an hour for yourself on the study, on the subject, you will not even spend the same half an hour for looking at, for understanding the chart or analyzing the chart or going through my study material. That is why I put that condition. That I share the study material only to students who have attended the quiz. No other reason apart from that. It is not just to test your knowledge, to test your patience level. And frankly speaking, I don't have the patience. That is why I'm seeking out a short time counter. I don't have the patience to spend half an hour on the quiz. Though I have prepared the quiz, spending 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 years, but I don't have patience for even 10 minutes to attempt the quiz. I'll tell you. Even that Afufa Foundation, the brochure, whatever I posted in the group, it took almost 5 to 6 hours. Okay, to finalize the brochure. But it took almost 15-20 days to finalize the content. But if you ask me to study that brochure again from A to Z, I don't have the patience. That is my negative risk, which I am openly admitting. Got it?
That's a very nice initiative, sir.
So please do everything. Please study whatever I post. Okay. Read it patiently. Okay. You will not only gain knowledge, you will also test your patience.
Yes.
Personal message on my wall.
Is there a quiz on EMAs also, sir?
No, master. I think it's already a part of SMM, right?
Yes, sir.
It's there's too many questions. I think if I include Billish and it comes to total 160 questions.
So after S1, the next quiz who completes will be eligible for the divergence and then Papa quiz.
I will cover divergence also, no problem. The reason why I have not Papa quiz I have already shared with many students. If you are ready to attend Papa quiz, you can attempt it, no problem. Okay. See, I will share. I have not shared the divergence material as of now because I have not touched the subject. But if you want to attempt, see, there are already a couple of students who have attended the divergence quiz. If you are ready to attempt divergence quiz and if you are ready to attempt Papa quiz, send me a message, I will send you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So this divergence was posted in the group or separate services?
Nothing is posted in the group. Everything is sent separately. Only the first
to do the divergence after the divergence topic is covered.
Divergence, most of them have not scored above 50.
I went through it, sir. So I thought first let's finish that this, then I can do that.
Let us not be in urgency, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you and I will be interested in attempting the quiz.
Yeah, send me a message. I send it to you.
Sure, sir, definitely.
You have finished SMM, right?
I finished fully.
You and Papa also?
Yes, sir. Wait.
I don't know who is talking, so that is the reason I'm asking this.
Geeta, sir, Geeta.
Oh, send me a message that I will.
Yes, sir. I completed full geo. Yes.
Okay, not full geo, SMM and Papa. Full geo is form and 3 also.
Okay.
See, form, there is a separate just for calculation also. Okay, don't worry. We'll cover everything.
Yes, sir.
Whoever completed SMM, just please send me a personal message on my wall so that I will share EMA with the section. Okay, fine.
We can still send the quiz answers, right? I have not sent. Maybe I was just trying to.
No time frame fixed for it.
Yes.
You can take even 1 month, 2 months also. No problem.
And I'll complete it.
Divergence. I have 2 divergence this thing. This is the divergence. Hey, any feedback on the study material, whatever I have shared it with you?
It's very useful, sir. I could refer your study material every day to make my notes.
Okay, are you getting some any finer details? Are you getting any additional information than whatever you have learned from Asta?
A lot, sir.
Yeah.
Asta is very basic.
Very much.
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
This is the
Sir, where do we get this PDF, sir? Please share to me also.
Who is this, ma?
Geeta, sir.
Geeta, Beena.
Whoever have finished my SMM quiz, I am sharing everything one by one.
Right.
Okay, sir.
I have already shared, I think either I have already shared a couple of materials, right? I think as of now I have shared volume, support resistance trend line,
and trading checklist.
Trading checklist. I think three or four I have already shared.
Those 3 are shared, sir.
I think one was the Doji versus Harami versus.
The 4th one is Doji versus Harami that I have posted in the group, but I have shared that also separately. So totally as of now I have shared 4 files.
Awesome.
Okay, see totally how many files are there? Keep it in mind. SMM and Papa alone is almost 16. Out of the 16 I have shared 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today EMA is 5.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Again, guys, I am telling you, even if I suppose by mistake, if I have not shared it with you, please send the message again. Okay? I don't mind sharing it with you.
Okay, sir.
And don't take me wrong when I'm putting a condition that it is shared only to the person who attended the quiz. Again, the intention is to test the patient's level, nothing else about it. Okay. Really repeating some statements.
That is a good condition. That is helping us actually. That is helping us actually. Your condition is helping us.
Okay, yeah, right.
No, so it feels like a sense of achievement, like I did this, so I received this.
You're
gift.
feeling proud, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Good. See, definitely I'm telling you, if you practice more, unknowingly your knowledge level will go. Okay, that is why I'm telling you to practice.
Otherwise, we are like left with just the notes, Asta notes, which.
See, frankly speaking, I'm a monitor from DG22. From day one, I have not used, even when I was a student, I have never used ASA certificate. Even when I was a student. Okay, and whatever I have built, you have not seen my this thing. This is again another word document. This is one which I have developed over the period when I was a student. This file. This runs to some around 153 pages. Each and every candle, I understood. See, one, because I won't blame Asta. I told you, no, I don't have the patience of listening to something continuously for 10 or 15 minutes. Because of that, I'm not blaming Asta, I'm only blaming myself. I don't have that much patience. So, but over a period of time, I developed this Word document when I was a student. Because even when I was studying my college, I will never listen to the class, but I will go and sit in the library and I will put up this. So all this practice started from there only. So that I always prepare my own notes and I study from my own notes only. It is not, I'm not trying to communicate that I am great or I am superior or someone is inferior, nothing like that. Somehow my mind is fixed to that. Okay.
Nice, beautiful, sir. Nice.
So how to get this?
I'm starting my study material itself. No, see, that is more than enough. Yeah, that contains small points.
That is okay.
See, this I prepared when I was a student. Okay, after 3G10. But after that, even I don't use this much because my Excel sheet and the study material, whatever I'm sharing now, contains more information than this.
More precise.
Yeah. Gaps. So then only I understood all these things, what is gaps and what is the foam strategy, everything. I had done the manual calculation. And whoever was under Mahalakshmi, okay, she would have shown you the manual calculation, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because Mahalakshmi, she was my student. I had explained all the manual calculation. See, Mahalakshmi, the initial messages, she always used to write it and she will send it to me. And she will ask me to check if my calculations are fine or not. I'm sure it will load. See, this was on 2025.
He's a great human being, sir. Very.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Sorry,
Small doubt. It's a long straddle. I took one more paper trading just for a small clarity I need. Suppose I not take any long straddle strategy. Say example, today the market goes 200 or 300 points above. Example, if I am taking 23,150 today, if the market goes 200 or 300 points next day itself, then I will be in the profit. Or else the capping limit on expiry one day, I will get that profit, sir.
See, in long straddle, probability of making profit is very less because of the premium decay. Because long straddle is a debit strategy, right?
Yes.
So, for example, tomorrow the market opens with just 50 points or 100 points gap up or gap down. Just 50 points. Okay. Your premium would have eroded in a big way. Okay. Because QC is expiry.
Okay.
Correct. See, long straddle will generally work in a
like a budget day
event or something, budget day, event day, like election, something like that. Okay. Otherwise, a long straddle will not work at all. Any debit strategy will not work. Okay. Okay, so Mahalakshmi, one reason she explained all these manual calculations is because she had practiced. Unfortunately, the images are not getting downloaded here. Otherwise, she used to do all in manual calculation, write down on a paper, and she will send it to me when she was my student.
Sriram, that is
Then
because,
she became my co-monitor.
sorry,
Yes.
why? Because you wouldn't have downloaded. Sometimes this happens, right?
I would have downloaded on my mobile. That's the reason why it is not getting downloaded here. It will be there in my mobile. Definitely, all the calculations will be there in my mobile. So please practice. She is one standing example. Right?
Yes, sir, we will practice.
Yeah. Okay. So shall we end the session? Hey, sometimes my session will be boring with too many advices, but it is for your benefit only. So please undergo that pain also.
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay. Right.
For
Yes.
FUFA, I have shared the.
I got it. I have read it.
I don't know you have my number on. That's why this.
No. I have stored all your number. Yeah. I have read it. Yes. See, this income tax. Why I have not mentioned? That is already in the pipeline. Your income tax exemption. Okay. 99. Why I have not? I have kept it as 99 because this being a smaller amount. This is I don't know how many of them are going to come forward. Okay. The number is not a big this thing. Income tax exemption is already there on the pipeline, but I have not mentioned that in the brochure. Okay. App will be developed. Yeah, everything will be developed.
Because networking is something great.
Yes.
Which will.
Asta itself is a good network. I want to make use of this network in a good way. I have to put this network into good use. So that is my whole idea behind this initiative. See, right now it is 50,000 plus students. Hardly we know some 30 or 40. Okay, we are not taking full advantage of this community.
Correct.
So I want that to happen.
Not even 0.1% of networking actually.
Correct. Yeah.
No knowledge sharing, no achievement sharing, nothing.
So something needs to be done. Because one of the student, okay, from 3G, I don't remember the batch. Okay, this happened some 6 to 8 months back. He was admitted in the hospital suddenly, but he was not having any fund. So I think she asked VG if something can be done. So VG posted in the group. Okay, then through my reference, like my students, through that initiative, I have raised almost close to 1.5 lakhs. Okay, so from that time it was running in my mind that something has to be done because yes, at least I know this particular student has gone through the problem, but unknowingly there will be many students from other ASC branch also will be going through the same issue. So something needs to be done so that there will be some collective effort. Because even 5 rupees per day from 50,000 students makes a good purpose, right?
Definitely.
So that's a whole idea.
This financial part, other psychological and other things also will be a lot of benefit.
Many students, just because I requested, they send 5,000, 10,000, something like that. Yes, Risha, tell me.
See, there is a parallel that I want to create. See, I'm part of a social organization. So what we call the tiny drops makes a mighty ocean is an initiative.
Correct.
It's a voluntary program. One can donate even 5 rupees, 10 rupees. This for about 3-4 causes. One is for education, second is for environment, third is for mental wellness, like that. Okay. So what we have done is that you can donate even 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Because it could be daily, weekly, monthly.
Correct.
And it's a simple UPI payment.
Yes.
I'll tell you, it's a miracle.
That's the same thing I want to do here. Simple UPI payment. UPI mandate. 5 rupees auto debit from your account.
Exactly. There is a simple registration which you can do. You can give a start and end date, or you can end it whenever you want. That's a kind of a model. Now it's like a brilliant measure because the UPI is a wonderful instrument that can happen without any charges to both the donor and the recipient.
5 rupees is what is the minimum amount I have fixed, but if you want, you can make it to 10 rupees or 15 rupees. Something. That's up to the individual.
Yeah, they can do weekly also, monthly also, depends on that. Right? See, the whole idea is that maybe I'll talk to you again on this. Right?
We will discuss, sir. Well, first, Abdul sir, give a go ahead for this. Anyway, I'll have to meet him. I'll be meeting him at Bangalore. He's coming to Mysore, but I'm not sure whether I'll have time to discuss at Mysore. But definitely, I'll be going to Bangalore for this purpose. Okay. Yeah, guys. Okay. Thank you. Ending the session. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Please study the
Thank you.
chart.
Thank you, sir.
EMA, support and resistance, and EMA. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please practice. Okay, sir. And come up with doubts. Post some studies in the group. Call me and ask for doubts. Then only I'll also know that you guys are working on something. Otherwise, I will also lose interest over a period of time.
Okay, sir.
No, that should not be the case, sir.
So please call me and ask. No problem. If you call me 10 times also in a day, I'll be happy to explain or clarify your doubts.
We actually need your all guidance actually. It's just the beginning actually.
My guidance is, again, I'm telling you, the trainer's role is only 5-10%. 90% lies with you. It's Yogesh, I think I told you when I was continuing monitors at some part of group, right?
Yeah.
So please practice. That's my only request.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So we'll meet again on Tuesday.
Okay. Yes, sir.
One was really connected to the session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Good night.
बैठे ब्याह कर उनको जाना ना कि भाई मैं तो उधर बहनों पहुंचा ना कि दर खोले बहन जानी ना हाँ तो वही कहाँ पहुंचा नजर कहाँ और थोड़ी खीर रखे हमारे पास खीर काढ़ा उनकी अच्छी वो बोलते जाना
अन्ना बची भाई ये इतनी बची है ये कोई 10 साढ़े 10 बजे
Great job, hot dot. Everything is analyzed, hot dot, and about very complete one-page answer in just 1 to 2 minutes. What clarity you got now? How easy it was?
Yeah, it's very easy. So, like I can use it for even more difficult things. So, picture we don't forget. As you told, our brain loves images, pictures. So, whenever I get stuck, I can just close my eyes and look at the story. आचार्य जी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका
उन्हें दो वो भी घुराना पूरम के ना तो फ्रिज में रखे थे अरे अयोध्या है ना, जबलपुर जबलपुर का
हाँ
वो दे
वो टिकट इसलिए दी
मुंडी चौक तो दिसे है ना,
कभी
19 20 21 22 छुट्टी हुई।
अच्छा
हाँ जबलपुर जबलपुर का
सिद्धि
हाँ अयोध्या 8 घंटा होता है।
टिकट इसलिए ना ऑलरेडी
और पाची गर्मी ऐसे मग गर्मी
गर्मी
के
तो
साल भर
होती है। हाँ।
और हवा बारिश चीज को अदर चीज
मानो के साथ घुमाना है इधर रहा तो सब कुछ एनी टाइम ऐसा हेलो हाँ ठीक है हाँ तो खाइए कल चटनी रोटी हाँ Okay. चलिए चलते हैं गर्मी में तो क्या चाय रखते हो हाँ हाँ मेंटेन no bla सब मनी लो सारा दाल लगा सुनो सारा दाल में सुनो हाँ सब हाँ 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 मैं ठीक थी तो मतलब शाखा में थी वैसे सारा तो बस जैकेट के टंकियाँ को लगाया है तो सट्टा होती है हाँ कैसा ठीक है हाँ वो जगह ठीक है ना फिर हाँ हाँ सामाजिक जो खाई की चर्चा सुनो तो कौन को घूमे साथी अच्छा कैसे गोल्ड पड़ी तो गोल्डी वोल्डी इसका तेरे लास्ट खाली हाँ मैं तो आजादी का सब दिन भंडारा पूरे भारी को उठाया ना हाँ नीचे का पकड़ को दोनों खा दे नहीं बढ़िया तो मेरी भारी को उठाया करी तो और इतनी जल्दी और काशी में नवे कोई तालुक क्यों ना शादी में पापा शादी ठीक है नहीं हुआ ना ये हाँ हाँ सगळं शहर भंडारा होते तो कोई ना घर में सब दुख मार हाँ इन मैं राशि शत्रु राधा की बड़ी भाई मेरे को वो 5 और 4 साल और 4 साल हुआ सत्संग होता और करे बना तो रोटी तो खाई तो कभी तो है ना वो और खाती शादी गई आज लोग नहीं हाँ बीस के बाद हाँ वो या कोई चीज है जो उधर रहना है जिससे बड़ी और चीज गर्मी में आ रही गर्मी तक बहुत होती है हाँ बोलते हैं मेरे डैडी थे ना हाँ मिर्ची खाते होते नहीं सिंपल से ठीक है हाँ आई नहीं तो कोई गाने तो वहाँ पर सिलेक्शन गाने की खाती फोकस है हाँ माफी यहाँ भी क्या है पापा नाम को रखे हाँ Yeah. I know very well. Just not very गर्मी रोटी गाड़ी रहेगा दारू क्यों इतनी मंडा है हाँ पेट संभालने के लिए नहीं तेल तो नहीं लग रहा है बोल कराया चलते थे वही मतलब गाड़ी वाला खराब हुई सब चाबी लगी काले वाले गाड़ी वही सब वही ठीक तो बंद गाड़ी दिमाग में हाँ मैं करे थी वो कारे जाने वो जागो में भी जाऊंगी पान नंबर नहीं दी कहाँ है आकल हमारे कभी 10 सुबह खा पीती 10 में सुबह शाम में मेरे में चाहिए ये तो शुरू में ही ठंडी मार्केट जो भी चलती है हाँ ये पारा का क्यों करती हो हाँ मैं कटी तो नहीं माना करता हूँ नहीं क्यों जाता काले जाते हाँ तो पापड़ चिप्स जलेबी हमारे जाता मिला था डाटा डाटा बस वाल करा और मेहंदी देखना होगी जब से कल सुबह सवेरे तो वो जीते ना पोटल से खानी चाहिए शाम को बिना सुविधा से किससे करे से हाँ तुम पहिया ना आ रहे थे दिखाना यादव डॉक्टर है ना ऐसा है थे यादव डॉक्टर उन्हें के दिखा रहे हो तो उन्हें के दिखा रहे हो आशु शाह बुधाई सब फोटो मिल रहे हैं पेटी खोल सब सागर वाला में सीएस है यही करने से सब हाँ बिल्कुल हाँ Kira. Well, this is.
शीशा में तो ये सामान तो नहीं रखे हुए ना, सब रखे हुए ना करे तो वो है ना इधर तो नहीं दी बोला थे वीडियो अंदर बैठा ना
हाँ रेडी हाँ टेंशन हो रही है यहाँ पे खुशबू बटर मंगाना नाश्ता मिठाई सब खाना
मुख्य लास्ट भाग में तो लगी यही चादर डिशर
हाँ पठान का देखो एड कपड़ों का फ्रंट सुठी सी लगी थी अच्छे जहाँ चादर है
वो भी जूता चप्पल पहनना है खाली कर दो मारे चावल नखा कर 11 बजे का
आजा
ना नखा
हाँ
पापा भी नखा दे
बता दे यार सब दिखा देना हाँ थोड़ा मनी दे देखिए न मनी दे देखिए मनी दे तो वो कागज भी तो लंबी नहीं उसे खाता है